So I really wanted to go to university, but I wasn't ready to kind of move away. I wanted to stay at home and didn't like the idea of going far away from my family, and a bit of a home bird. So the fact that it was in Farnborough, it was a 5-minute drive away, it was really easy to get to, and that was really convenient for me, so that was definitely the right choice.
I like how the modules, the content that's taught on the modules, is taught in a very different way. It's taught where you can have group discussions, and it's taught where you can have one-on-one support from your lecturers. The UCF building has a really good library. It's got loads of really good books and resources like journal articles we have access to. It's also really nice, we've got the Westminster building, so it's like you have your own space separate from the college.
I enjoyed the diversity in the class. When I applied, I was really worried that I was going to be the oldest because I'd come back after 8 years of being out, and actually I'm not at all. There's such a mixture. I think I'm about in the middle. There's people that have just done the A-level, there's people that have been out of education for 20 years, and we all get along. We're all really good friends.
The teaching is very good. It's more one-to-one than a typical class. Since we're in small classes, they can deal on a very one-to-one basis, so that really helps to focus in on the problems that you have.
It's full-time, but we don't come every day. So I can balance family life, because the days that I come to uni, my son goes to after school nursery. So from uni I can pick him up.
With this course, everyone's so different and everyone comes from different backgrounds and they're all at different ages, so it's really interesting to meet those kind of people, and I wouldn't have met them anywhere else.
The class sizes are so much smaller, and that really gives you like a one-on-one feeling with the lecturer. It's so different. You can literally go to a lecturer and just say, hey, I really need some help with something, and you can just get that one-on-one feedback straight away.
Relationship I have with the students and the lecturers, for me, is a highlight. Just being accepted, and many times I make lots of mistakes with my language, but always I see the friendly faces and very kind, all of them to me.
The teaching on the course is actually very good. Whenever you need assistance, you are provided with assistance. If you don't understand something, you can just freely ask your lecturers. They are able to help you out.
The library is unbelievable, and the amount of journals that you can access from home. You don't have to come in to the library to get access to most of the information. You can do it from home on a weekend. You can come in at half terms and you can sit on a computer and use the facilities. Yeah, so that's been really helpful.
It's such a nice course, it's such a nice place to come to as well. If you are worried about going far away or not wanting to be far away, it's the perfect place really, because you're close and you're also getting so much more support, and if that's your kind of worry or sort of anxiety, then that's a really good part of it.